Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your account from public to private. Watch the video till end, so you may not skip any step. So you have to open the Instagram app. Then click the profile icon in the right below corner. So you are now in the main profile section. Now click the More option in the upper right corner. Click the Settings and Privacy button. Here you will see Account Privacy button. Click it, then enable the privacy button. Oh, as you can see, business account can't be private, so we have to switch our account from personal to professional. As we can see our professional dashboard, so we have to click the More option again. Then we have to click the Setting and Privacy button. Click the Creator and Tools option. Then click the Switch Account Type. And now you will see two options on your screen. Click the Switch to Personal Account button below, and now you can see the notification. Click the Personal Account button, and now your account has been changed from professional to personal account, and your professional dashboard is also removed. So all you have to do is to click the More option and click the Account Privacy button again and swipe the button to right, and you will see the notification. Click the OK button, and that's all. All your account is now private, and you will see a locked icon with your profile username. Thanks for watching.